Lighting and Brian. This is the last day that we have our experts from Lumien. So Tony is with us, and I'm going to do a wrap-up, if you will, wrap-up Friday. And then I'll tell you at the end of this video what we have in store for you for Free Fixture Friday. So Tony, wrap up last-minute thoughts of these absolutely stunning fixtures.
Give me 1 second. Sorry, she doesn't know how to work my phone.
Little technical,
Here, just...
but as you can see, look at the collection. You've got area lights, bollards, micro deck lights. Okay, good. So anyways, Tony, what I was asking is, since this is sort of wrapping up the entire week with Lumien, and any last words or comments, important details? You know, sometimes at the end of these.
Yeah, no.
There's something.
No, everything, you know, was awesome. You know, I was so glad to be able to you know, do this venture with you guys and be able to show our products to your customers, you know, on a live feed like this, and be able to talk about, you know, the use for, you know, all different types of application. It's been a great week. You know, we're super excited to be partnered with AQ Lighting with our Lumien products, and you know, we're super excited as a team.
Oh, great. Brian, can you sort of recap what questions we answered? We had a lot of questions about these products that got handled right away. A lot of solution-based designs are here. So do a quick recap for them there.
Quick recap. Well, the area lights themselves, I know one of the problems that people have is the finish fading and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I think Tony addressed that they have a special UV coating on theirs. So these things last an extremely long time then. So they're not going to turn, like aluminum gets that powdery texture
Mm-hmm.
to it, starts to kind of oxidize basically, where with that UV protection, it's not going to happen here. So that's a major thing with aluminum lights.
That is, and that applies to every single one of these fixtures. And something was special about these area lights.
The area lights.
Just kind of want to remind you.
This is unique to Lumien, and that's just the way that they do not rely on these shades. These shades are really for looks,
Mm-hmm.
more than anything.
Mm-hmm.
So the LEDs are aimed downward, and you can control the actual spread of light by just twisting this. Basically, it's almost like a shade itself. So you can control the pattern of light that you want to throw on the ground. That is extremely unique. I love it. It's smart. The whole Lumien line is smart.
Yeah,
and that's what I love about it.
They've addressed a lot of concerns that you have when you're trying to decide which fixture do I go with. And then after you buy the fixture, what bulb do I go with? What beam spread? All of a sudden you're like, okay, this is too complicated. They simplified it in the singular design. This one had sort of a special detail.
This did. So it's not just an area or pathway light. What's special about it is it's actually directional. So quite a bit of this light is actually directed forward. A little bit of light will come behind the fixture, but the majority of the light actually is directed forward. And that's what makes it a really special pathway light, because that's where you want it. You want it on your pathway.
I believe it was like 30% goes, or 30 degrees, that's what it was, 30 degrees.
30 degrees forward is what it's aimed.
Okay, a brief, Tony, why don't you step in and do a brief recap. These are heavy, by the way, the little micro deck lights. And give a little quick refresher.
Yeah. That series that you're holding up right there, that's part of our micro series, which is actually a whole series of lights. As I spoke earlier this week, is, you know, in the next week or so, you know, you guys are going to be seeing a video that AQ and myself are going to be doing, which is going to present you guys our full micro series. So we're very excited about this micro series. It's nothing like you've ever seen before. None of our competitors have a series like this. That, you know, I'll kind of give you a little tip, a little view behind the curtains. Um, it I'm not going to show you what they are, but
Okay,
you know,
good.
you're going to be able to
We must
do
wait.
pendant. You're going to be able to hang these. You're going to be able to put them in grounds. It's a whole series. It's very exciting. One light source is going to do everything that you need, no matter what the application is. We're going to have that for you. So it's going to make your life a lot easier when you guys are putting a project together, you know, in your home, to be able to do everything with one light source, and they all, you know, it all looks the same. So it's very, very cool system that we're creating.
So here you go, Tony. You got questions already. Of course, someone's got to ask, when are you launching that video? I want to check it out. So I don't know if we have an actual date yet. We're not even sure when the series are coming in, but you got people on the hook, Tony. Good job.
Stay tuned. We'll get back to you with those dates. All right. Lastly, but definitely not least, talk about these.
So these are the wall lights, step lights. This one here is absolutely brilliant. I love it. This throws off a lot of light. It is one of the main things, I believe, what Tony was telling us is about this lens. So this is directing the light outward and also downward, but yet you're not getting the glare in your eyes. Love this light.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. The step lights are very nice as well as far as the louvered. Not as much light as these. They're a little bit more of a marker light, but still give out light. It doesn't take very many candle power to, when it's pitch dark out, to see your way. So they're still very nice and works great.
Lastly,
And
oh, go ahead.
on the one that he's holding there, are you able to get that close to the camera to show them that front lens where it's an actual optic? It's just not a piece of glass. It's an optic. You see those lines right there? Those lines are used to spread that beam of light. So it's just not sitting in front of that fixture. It's spreading it out at about a 60 to 70 degrees. So that's an actual optic. So it's really, really cool. Real cool optic.
It is, and just the fact that when I've had it fired up, glare is huge for me. I don't want lights shining in my customers' eyes, and this keeps the glare down. It is really nice.
And I'm sure you've driven by in your own personal neighborhoods and you see so many light fixtures, but you can't see the fixture. All you see is the glare. So it's lit up, but not attractive. Where this, we're going to light the pathway up, but you're not going to see the glare. So you'll actually get to appreciate what you are illuminating. And lastly, the edgelit.
The edgelit, it's like a hardscape light. Use this on your stairs. Use this on underneath your coping, on your retaining wall, multiple places. It's a great light, fully integrated. I know Tony is talking to us about you don't always need this this steel plate here. Basically for mounting, you can mount it different ways. So it's just a great light. And what, Tony, this is also directional light as well. Is that what you're telling us?
Yeah, so that one there has just a clear lens on it, so it's just a directional, you know, down facing light. So it would just be a down light to, so you would, you know, that would just, you know, light up the surface of the wall, you know, that's closest to it. So you're grazing the wall with that type of lighting. So you're doing grazing.
Okay, so Fridays is Free Fixture Friday, and I don't know if you have scanned the price points here, but these fixtures are anywhere from $80 to $200 because they have a 10-year warranty because they're designed exquisite. So this is what Tony, Brian, and I are going to do for Free Fixture Friday. Are you ready? Okay, Brian?
Well, we want to know where are you going to put these?
Okay.
What are you gonna light up? Why do you wanna light it up? Tell us your story, send us a photo of your area, what you wanna do with these lights, and we wanna give it to you.
You can post these comments on our wall. We have a Facebook wall. You can just write them in the comments. You can send us pictures. But the three of us are going to get together and we are going to pick the best stories. And you will be getting one of these fabulous fixtures to start your project. So think about it, take pictures, tell us which product works best for your application and why you should be selected. We don't even know how many we're going to select. We don't know. We're just going to go by the great stories that we hear. All right. Well, thank you for joining us. Thank you, Tony, for joining us. We hope you all learned a lot about Lumien because it's a stunning line.